without any further ado, in the comforts of our own home, I'm going to do some more cleaning. I have 2 more bullets, turn signals. These look great already. Haven't even touched them yet. Just freshly pulled out of the Buick today. We have the headlight bezels. These have a little bit more gunk on them. So I wish I had some SOS pads. We'll start with these. We also have, here's the power steering. I guess steering wheel insert, if you will. This one's the non-power steering one. I think Dave gave me just an extra one. And then it goes right in this wheel. Oops. Like that. Touch that cabinet up later. There's that. Then we have like the air control switches, like the defrost, de-ice. I mean, de-ice just goes somewhere in the dash. And 2. The hood mirrors. Those will be nice to clean. Hello, look, you're on camera. Hi. That's kind of neat. The lens fell out. Mirror, so it's probably in the box still. Oh, woohoo! Hi, hi. I feel like Brooke was salt. Okay. Start with these guys. The bezels. Getting them on dish soap. Very, very low. So hopefully we'll get through it. See it. I should like see the video. Videos are so junky, but you can get like a. Okay, see right there. You see it? See it shine? Oh no! My video's quality poor. Very poor. Ouch. Oh, wow. That is lethal right there. Yowzers. Ooh. I think I just got tetanus. Something. Oh, and that is a loose screw right there, so we do not want that going on the garbage disposal. Let's take this off. Oh, it's not coming out. Never mind. Wants to stay in. Sure, we'll decide to come out when I'm not ready. Wasting water. Sorry, this is just my method of doing dishes. People do the soap, all soap, all rinse. I don't know. I like to soap and then rinse. Soap and then rinse. So I am on the dishwasher. Well, they looks less Cracker Jack box ringing. Sorry, save the planet. It's not good to waste water. Got a little shine right there. So here, oh, the other one's wet. Checked it before and after. It's cool. Oh wow. Yeah, this just came out. Oh, missed it. Missed the excitement. It's like a cloud of black smoke. Back in my box of cat treats. Oh, now we're never gonna find it again. There we go. Oh boy. Well, it may be a little crooked now, but yeah. This one's not as sharp, but still. Kind of nice. That one side of the ring, the top, is at the bottom. Okay. One side smoother. Every car has its own unique smell. So it's definitely different than Snooty and than the wagon. Just pull those numbers, just kind of way deep in there. I don't know if you can see it. It's cool, and they're raised too. Neato-rific. A lot of mud on the inside of this one. That's probably what all that dark stuff was that came out. Bit the dust. Alright. A little dirty. Backside. Oh, there it comes again. How do you sell that? It's crazy. It's like not brown. It's almost like blue-black. Very interesting. Oh well. There we go. There's the second one. Looks pretty cool. All right, let's do this guy. Here's before. And then show the after. Can't really even see much. Whatever. It's for my enjoyment. This is crazy. It's got this blue oxidation on it. I don't know if you can see in the camera. Almost looks like battery acid. Smells like it too. It's pretty. Oh wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. Wow, it looks gold, and now check that out. Silver. Here's the other one. See if it does the same thing. So, see how it looks gold, yellow, lighting so bad. Silver and gold. There you go. Okay, so let's try to do this one. Watch. I'm not cutting the cameras. No trick camera. Oh my god. Now this one looks still a little bit more gold, but oh my god. The intricacy is phenomenal on this. It's unbelievable, especially on the gold one. Oh my gosh. This camera is not going to be able to pick it up at all, but oops. Let's see if I can just hit it just right. You won't be able to see it. You got to see it in person. It's so detailed and fine. If I pull back, try to move it so you can see. It's incredible. It's so shiny underneath too. Okay, continue. Yes, definitely smells like rat piss. This one has a lot of that same blue oxidation on it. So this is where like the SOS pad would be nice to come in. Pretty heavy pitted, but that's okay. Pretty much just getting the smell off of it right now. Yeah, it's just like corroding. I guess I've never really like seen this type of material do this. I don't know. It's different looking. Like it's sprouting new alien life form. Close Encounters of the Third Kind. Good movie. Enough for now. Here's the after. That look horrible. Before and after. All right. Let's take these guys over here. Excuse me. I didn't quite finish this one. Let me just go do a little more. Got sidetracked with the other one. Okay, so some of that blue's coming off. Sorry folks, you just have to, it's like reading a book. You gotta use your imagination. All right. Don't want to scrub it too hard. I'm going to rub anything off. What we're pretty much doing is just stopping the surface rusting and oxidation process right now. We're just doing a mere halt for the time being. I can hear this wagon thanking me. You really can, you know? And the looks about them change. When you first see a car that you're gonna buy, it looks like, you know, whatever. Kind of sad, depressed, like buy me. And then once you take it home and start working on it, it's like instantly it like changes. It looks like happy. It says thank you. It's like a rebirth as I'm picking my nose. All right. Let's do these. This will be nice. 4. No hardware in it or no wiring. Just can't even like adjust it. It just goes in one spot. On the phone. There it is. Oh, that song's in my head. That do 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 do. There's blue paint that I'm scraping off with my, watch, I'm gonna like scrape it off with my thumbnail. You know what that one looks like? The same color of the Buick though, the outside of it, that they repainted blue. It's like, I don't know. It's like where it's pitting. Nope, I don't know. Somebody probably just spilled something. I'm tripping. Getting out my CSI Miami detective skills. Looking for DNA imprints. What color were you? Where were you on the night of November 4th, 1958? Were you gonna make it? Like January 3rd, 59. Start of a new year. New car. Alright. Try to get all the angles so you can see. Pretty good. This one's missing the mirror. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing on a string from Burger King. Should be able to find that. If not, I can go to a mirror store and have them make one. No biggie. Like I said again, this is just quick and dirty. I'm not even polishing, using any compound to, you know, shine it up or anything. This is just warm soap and done. Nothing fancy, my friends. Except for these guys. Gotta show you again. Alright. The before and after is gonna look exactly like. Kind of quickly. Now on this one there is wiring and mechanisms inside, electrical, so we don't want to get too crazy and just keep the open side down. Yeah, I don't want any water getting behind that light bulb, so yeah. Just do it right here in the tray. That's it. Knock the dust off. Be very careful with stuff like that. So, as you can see, it's all still dry up around there. I think the other set I went a little aggro on because they were cracked and there wasn't a bulb, so I was like, it's gonna have to get replaced anyways. But this one, everything looks intact. Look at all this, even the mud buildup around the wiring. Alright, I'm not even gonna touch that wire. We'll just leave that like that. Same thing. Keeping our open sides away from the water. Oh, one more little thing. Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, those. Wow, they're so nice. Okay, now this. I think we're just gonna do a little hand spray with some Windex, and a little wipey. Just right now. Jeez Louise, I'm like living in a dark hole here. Look at that. How cool is this? I don't know if it picks up on camera. Oh yeah, see the fingerprints? They're coming off. Are they coming off? Yeah, look at that. You know, it's like, you wonder whose boogers were on here when, like, what song was playing when they really picked a big one off. They're like, oh no, I don't want to change the songs. I'm deep in it, but I got a really good one. But the songs, actually the song stinks, so I'm going to change it. And then one gets stuck on here. And then here it is. It's on here for like 50 years. Here I am cleaning it off. Yummy. All right, folks. I think that just about does it for tonight. Cleaning in Betty's kitchen. So, have a nice evening. Good night. Okay, that's good for tonight. Cool, man. Oh, it's still going.